Intermodalism refers to the movement of goods using multiple modes of transportation such as trucks, trains, and ships within a single supply chain. The process leverages standardized containers that seamlessly transfer between these modes, minimizing handling and improving efficiency. Over the past 5 years, intermodal transport has grown in importance as firms increasingly look to balance cost efficiency with sustainability goals. With global supply chains under pressure, this strategy is particularly appealing to firms seeking reliability amid fluctuating logistics costs. A significant advantage of intermodal transport is the cost effectiveness. For long-haul shipments, especially those exceeding 500 miles, railroads, a key component of intermodal systems, are often cheaper and more fuel efficient than road transportation. For example, rail can move a ton of freight over 400 miles on a single gallon of fuel. By incorporating rail into their logistics networks, companies can significantly lower shipping costs while also benefiting from reduced emissions, which is an increasingly valuable metric for business models. Technological advancements have further enhanced the appeal of intermodalism. Modern systems offer real-time tracking capabilities, enabling firms to monitor the location and status of goods in transit. This improved visibility, coupled by reliable scheduling, mitigations traditional concerns about delays and unpredictable investments in technology, such as GPS-enabled containers and centralized logistics platforms, have made intermodal shipping a transparent and dependable solution for firms. Another factor for driving the adoption of intermodal transport is its flexibility. Nearly any product from consumer goods to industrial equipment can be shipped via intermodal systems. This adaptability has encouraged diverse industries, including retail and manufacturing, to lever intermodal solutions for both domestic and international trade. For example, goods can move seamlessly from ports to inland distribution centers, optimizing the supply chain while reducing dependence over the road trucking. Sustainability is another compelling reason for intermodal adoption. Rail and maritime modes produce significantly lower carbon emissions compared to trucks. Firms striving to meet environmental targets to enhance their corporate social responsibility profiles find intermodalism an attractive option. Recent data highlights that intermodal strategies can cut emissions by up to 75% compared to truck-only transport, supporting green logistics practices. Despite its advantages, intermodalism comes with challenges. Transitioning goods between modes require sophisticated terminal infrastructure and delays. At these points can impact overall transit times. Additionally, intermodal shipping might not be cost-effective for short distances or smaller loads, where the added complexity outweighs potential savings. Companies must evaluate their shipping needs carefully to determine if intermodal solutions align with their operational requirements. Current events such as rising fuel practices and labor shortages in the trucking industry have further elevated the value of intermodal transport. By reducing reliance on trucking for long-distance hauls, firms can insulate themselves from these distributions. Additionally, initiatives to expand intermodal infrastructure, such as new rail corridors and port improvements, are expected to enhance capacity and efficiency, making this approach even more viable in the coming years. In conclusion, intermodalism represents a forward-thinking approach to hybrid transformation, blending the strengths of various modes to create a resilient and cost-effective supply chain for firms willing to invest in this strategy. The potential savings in transportation costs reduce environmental impact and enhance reliability, make intermodal shipping a cornerstone of modal logistics planning.